Good morning. Got an install today. Steve's Lounge. Finally needing a new AC in that little bar, local little bar. Be nice. Nice day. Nice day for an install.
What you got?
Italian protein.
Italian. I like Italian.
Can you have a bite? It's got some weird sauce on it.
That don't make me want to eat it.
Alright, so this is the one going to the thermostat.
I mean, it's good, but
This has the green.
Okay. So mentally, you just kind of want to remember, but it's going to be kind of obvious because it comes from up top. Okay, your other low voltage comes from over here. You get that nut off, and then that's ready to go.
That's already ready to go, and that's in a different hole.
Give it a jerk. Come on, hit it with reverse. Oh, there you go.
nice.
That'll work.
This whole thing's coming out. 18 years old. Bobby put it in. Philip's putting in the next one. How's it going?
It's going.
All right.
Temporary increase in eye pressure, an uncommon risk of heart attack.
Our new one is actually
blood vessels in the eye. Report
like 4 inches taller. This is like a 7. This air cleaner's like 7.5 inches tall. All right, let me go make a phone call real quick.
The meeting of the Iranian Supreme Council where
What do you need?
terrible
But I
story
can't
indeed.
stop shaking.
Iran
There I'm going down the road.
pretty something from
I don't like this.
You've been in Congress for a long time. You think this go back and forth between presidents in terms of the affordability.
Old one. Uh-oh, garbage can.
Muscle weakness can be signs of a life-threatening condition. Those with these conditions before injection are at highest risk. Side effects may include
There you go.
neck and injection site pain, and headache. Don't receive
All right,
Botox
we'll just sit
versus
back there
steroids.
too.
Tell your doctor your medical history. Muscle and nerve conditions like ALS, myasthenia gravis, or Lambert-Eaton syndrome, and medicines like
Out with the old, in with the new.
serious side effects.
In a survey, 91% of patients wish they'd started Botox.
Oh God!
Well, she's got this ticket so I can get the serial numbers, but she ain't even got Bobby on this job. I don't know why we're not, I don't know why we're here. I'm just kidding. A little bump. Copper. Yep. Good. You're good. I guess 'cause it's on.
Officers alert the Middle East on fire as deadly fighting escalates across the region. Iran launching attacks in all directions, hitting cities in Israel and multiple states along.
See, you get the personalized.
I know. Yeah, that's what happens. Hear all the smoke.
$50 worth of dimes. To bring them home to look for any dimes that were pre-1964. He said some of them dimes could be worth up to $7 a piece.
Piece of shit right now.
That's what we were waiting on.
Good. Don't bend this at all. One, you put it in there. But it won't matter.
Is that the last one?
Yeah.
I missed it? Okay.
Looking to see if you could do it like that. I was just thinking doesn't have it.
Watch out behind you, there's glass.
I see what you mean. I have to put a blocker in from right here. Okay. I just want to Yeah. I'm gonna try and pick it up straight from here. 1, 2, 3. On the bottom. This corner up and on. Run it out of the way.
Watch this side too, Bobby. Oh, that's nice. Perfect though. Uh-oh, hold up. I think that's it. Touch more?
Why can't we leave it like that?
That looks awesome.
That's what I was thinking. Look at that.
Yeah, it does. That went in there. Nice. All right, you want the blower wheel? Coral?
We didn't get no picture on that thing. Or this side. No, there's not.